Hello, my beautiful students. So I hope you're all doing well, staying at home and staying safe and having a great time. So this is class 3 science lesson, and in this lesson we will try to talk about simple machines. So let's start. The first question is, what is simple machine? A simple machine is a tool that helps people move things more easily. Simple machine is a tool that helps people move things more easily. Simple machine چیە؟ Simple machine هەموو ئامێرانە ئەگرێتەوە کە ئیشی مرۆڤ ئاسانتر ئەکا. هەموو ئەو توڵانە ئەگرێتەوە کە وا لە مرۆڤەکە ئیشەکانی ئاسانتر بێ یان شتەکان بە ئاسانتر بجوڵێنێ. Okay, what are the types of a simple machine? The types of simple machines are lever, pulley, wedge, screw, wheel and axle, and incline plane. What you will need in this lesson, or what you will learn in this lesson, is lever, pulley, incline plane, and wedge. Let's repeat it one more time. The tools that you will learn in this lesson is lever, wedge, pulley, inclined plane. What is a lever? A lever is a bar that moves on or around a fixed point called fulcrum. So as you can see, look at the arrows in front of you. The first one, that's a picture, by the way, that's a picture of the lever. The first one is the bar. The green arrow is the fulcrum. So the first arrow is a bar. The second arrow, or the green arrow, is a fulcrum. So what does a lever do? The lever reduces or decrease the amount of force you have to use to move an object. So because of the lever, moving things is much easier. For example, pull out a nail from a piece of wood with your hand. It would be very, very difficult. اگه بتوێت نێڵێک یان بزمارێک لە پارچەیەک تەختە دەربێنی بە نینۆکە یان بە دەسە ئاسانە؟ نا، زۆر قورسە. Because this needs a lot of force. فۆرسێکی زۆر زۆریەوێ بۆی بزمارەکە دەربێنی لە تەختەکە. But your job will be much easier if you actually do as the picture says. So that person wants to pull out a nail from that piece of wood. He is using a lever. You can do the same with the lever. If you push one end under the nail and press the other end downward, the nail will move upward and you will be able to pull it out easily using less force. So that's an example of wrench. Wrench is a type of lever. Let's move to the second picture, the example of a trolley. Trolley is a lever you can lift and move the boxes or any kind of thing more easily when you use a trolley. ئەمە لە سوپەرمارکێتەکانە ئەبینن usually. ئەگە بیانەوە ئاو بگوێزنەوە یان بیانەوە شتێکی قورس بگوێزنەوە ترۆلی بەکارێنن بۆ لەبەرەوەی فۆرسێکی کەمتری ئەوێ بۆ شتەکان بگوێزیتەوە ئەگەر ترۆلیت پێبێ. we will talk about another type of a simple machine, which is a pulley. What is a pulley? A pulley is a simple machine that is made of a rope or chain that goes over a wheel, as you can see in the picture in front of you. Let's say it one more time. A pulley is a simple machine that consists of a wheel over which a rope or chain is pulled in order to raise or lower heavy object. Pulley چیە؟ Pulley پێکاتوە لە ڕەوڕەوەیەک کە شوێنی تایبەتی خۆی هەیە بۆ ئەوەی بتوانیت پەت یان گوریس یان پەت پیا تێپەڕکەی یان بەسەریا تێپەڕکەی. ئەی پوڵی بۆچی بەکارهێنرێ؟ پوڵی بەکارهێنرێ بۆ ئەوەی شتی قورس وەکو ئەو سنووقەی لە بەردەمدایە، سنووقی قورس یان شتی قورسی پێ بەرز کرێتەوە یان پێوی دابەزێنرێت. Another thing you should know is that pulley changes the direction of the force you can use, but does not reduce the amount of force. Direction forceەکەت بۆ گۆڕێت، بەڵام ئەماونتی فۆرسە بۆ ناگۆڕێ، یعنی فۆرسە بۆ کەم ناکاتەوە یان بۆ زیان ناکە. And another thing, because of the gravity, pulling down is easier than pulling up. ئەگە شتێک بتێ بێنی بەرەو خوارەوە یان بەرەو خوارەوە داینی، یان for example ئەو سنووقاگە لە بەشی سەرەوەی شوێنەکە بێ دایبەزێنم ئاسانترە وەک لەوەی لە خوارەوە بیبەم بەرەو سەرەوە. Let's talk about incline plane. What is incline plane? An incline plane is a slant surface that joins a low level with a higher level. You can say an incline plane is a flat surface set at an angle to another surface. So when you climb a staircase or a ladder, you go down a slope, or you go down a slope, you use inclined plane. When you use an inclined plane, you use less force to move object, but you have to move objects a longer distance, as you can see in the picture in front of you. So inclined plane actually makes your distance longer. کاتە ڕووی لێش چییە؟ ڕووی لێش ئامێرێکی سادەیە پێکاتوە لە ڕوویەکی ڕاستی لێش. Okay? So ئەم ئامێرە سادەی کە ئێمە باسی ئەکەین نمونەی چییە؟ نمونەی هەچ کاتێ تۆ بەسەر پەیژەیەکا سەرەکەوی یان بەسەر پلیکانەیە سەرەکەوی ئەوە actually inclined plane-ە. و هەچ کاتێ بمەوێ ڕووی لێش بەکاربێنم ئەو کاتە دووریەکی زۆرتر ئەبڕم، یعنی ڕێگاکەم درێژترە بێتەوە، بەڵام ئاسانترە بێ ئیشەکەم لەبەرەوەی فۆرسێکی کەمتری ئەوێ. Okay, let's talk about wedge. What is a wedge? A wedge is another simple machine with one thick end and another thin pointed end, just like the knife. The knife is an example of a wedge. An axe is an example of a wedge. It is actually made of two inclined plane joined together back to back. So it is a system of two inclined plane joined together back to back. This tool is used to keep two things apart. To cut or divide the cake, you need a knife. Yes. In the case of the knife, the blade acts as a wedge. So, wedge ئامێرێکی سادەیە بریتیە لە دوو ڕووی لێش پێکەوە کە ئەم دوو ڕووە لێژە بەیەکەوە ئەجوڵێن. نمونەش لەسەری چەقۆیە. A wedge is a simple machine formed of two attached incline planes. We reached the end of this lesson and also the end of this chapter. Thank you for your attention, and also thank you for your amazing comment. I saw them and I was very, very happy with your beautiful words. Also, I've seen your homework, and good job everyone who have done it. You have done an amazing job. It doesn't matter if you did it right or you made some mistakes, as long as you tried. I know. And good luck, guys.